one of the things that Cadoxton has is plenty of quarries. So this is probably the largest that is sort of in the middle of Cadoxton, more or less to the back of the church, Brock Lane, not Brock Street, Brock Lane. And I can tell you many stories about this that we've been researching for the new book that will be released this year on Barry and Cadoxton, and hopefully people will be watching this, and then this will be an article in the Barron District News this week. But one of the things about the quarries, the wonderful carboniferous rock about round Cadoxton and the rest of Barry, used for the building of this beautiful these two beautiful villages of Barry and Cadoxton, and then obviously later into this great town. And you can just see a little sort of cave pointing out over here. But this has all been quarried out, and one thing that we do know is that with all the quarrying, this has removed any earlier evidence of occupation in Barry. So wherever this quarrying is, there must have been houses in the distant past that we've obviously lost all the information for. So I just want to keep this as a little brief video for the old Cadoxton page that we've got anyway. And well worth a visit in the summer, in the heart of a quarry. And lots more to come in the book by KARL-JAMES and Richard Enos on Barry and Cadoxton. Anyway, it's very wet today, so I'm not going to get out. So anyway, thanks for watching, and keep watching what we put on YouTube and obviously in the Barron District News, which includes Cadoxton. Thank you. KARL-JAMES, over and out.